Hello, it's Porsha.Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing a full face of makeup, so let's get into it. The eyebrow pencil I'm going to use is the Milani Precise Brow Pencil. This is shade Espresso 150. I'm looking over here, I'm looking in the mirror. Let me put my hair back. You just follow your natural arch. Then we're going to go in with the Morphe. I outlined my eyebrows. Then we're going to go in with the Morphe Java. This one's a little thicker to fill in. If y'all can't tell, I have a lot of Morphe products. I go in with the Morphe Java Pomade. Then I get like a flat brush like this, and I'm going in with my e.l.f. Deep Olive Concealer to outline it. We're going to use this concealer as a base for our eyeshadow today anyway, so this is just fine. Just put that on there, all over the eye. That's fine. And we're going to blend this out with a Real Technique Shadow Dome brush. And now we're going to go back in with our flat brush, and we're going to go in with Deep Caramel to go on top of the brow. Or you can use your foundation, but it doesn't, as long as the top kind of matches your skin. We're going to blend this in right here. Then we're going to pat this out. We can go in with our control gel, and NYX, it's white like this, Control Freak. And we can just set the eyebrows, eyebrow hairs. This one's a little... We're going to go in with the Khaki Haze Huda Beauty. And we're going to get a fluffy brush. This palette's like $30. We're going to go in with this muted brown. It's like a brown red shade. We're going to go in the crease with this color and blend it out. Okay, that's how it's looking so far. Then we're going to go in with another fluffy brush. And we're going to go in with this dark color. We're going to go. Okay, now we're going to cut the crease a little bit, not really, but just a little bit. So we're going to take a light concealer. Let me show y'all the shade. That's how light it is. It's not that light, but it's in deep caramel. Oh, this is not the one I usually use, but whatever. This will do. So we take a little brush like this, and we're gonna cut it a little bit, not a lot, not like precise cut, just cut it a little bit, for it can have the eyeshadow can have something to stick on to. And when you're doing it, you kind of like pat as well. So you're actually trying to like cut it to where you meet the darker color with a brush like this. And I'm going to take this color and this color. Okay. Now we're going to go back in with this, like this brown color. Not brown, but it's like a burgundy, a dark burgundy color that has like the same effect of a black, but it's not as harsh as a black. Now I'll take my wipe that I've been using, and I'll just clean it up. I put like one finger inside the wipe, then I'll just go like up like a slant to clean it up. Kiss and this lash glue liner. What? So we're gonna put this on our like it's an eyeliner. Then we're just gonna put the lash on, and hopefully it sticks. Let's do one at a time. And we're gonna go in with my iMovie 3D in style 1111. I'm one of the people who can put eyelashes on with their fingers. So I really don't get my nails done and stuff. Okay, that one's on there. Then let it dry a little bit. Alright, y'all, and then that's that. That's the eyes. That's the eyes, and that's the eyebrows. Then we're going to go in to do the face. This is the, what is it? Urban Decay All Nighter face primer. This is like a full coverage foundation. I don't even need that much. We're going to go in with the Sonia Kashik. I got it from Target. We're going to go in with the Pretty Fresh. It's by ColourPop, and I got 180 in dark 145W. We're going to go in with 180 first. This look a little... Ooh, I'm going to have to take this one back. So we're going to go with Pretty Fresh 145. Go in with Huda Beauty and Blondie. And get a brush. Coconutty and Fenty. Then we're going to go in with Fenty Beauty. This is 400. 400. everybody like my shade got 410, but I got 400. We're gonna go in with Juviasplace Cola lip liner. We're just gonna go in. Oh no, we're gonna go in with Caramel Rose in the Juviasplace. Let's do 120 in milani. I got champagne. It's like a champagne gold. We're gonna do our nose. And with Morphe, Continuous Mist. And we're gonna go in with the Luminous. Alright guys, and that's it for today's video.